Hi, this is Melanie from Hook to the Left, and today we're going to take a look at Mary Maxim's February Crochet Club Kit. So let's go ahead and get started. Hello, thank you so much for joining me again today. So we're going to take a look at this Crochet Club Kit, but before I get down into this, then I wanted to let you know if this is the kind of content that you enjoy, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button and tap the bell so that you're reminded each time I come out with a new video. And while you're down there, hit the like button if you are so inclined. So let's go ahead and take a look and see what's inside this package. Okay, so now we have the guts out for the package here, and this is what the kit is showing that you can make with the project, all the pieces that it sends to you. The only thing, it sends you all the yarn that you need and the pattern. That's what's included in each monthly Crochet Club kit. This is considered an intermediate pattern. It does require a bulky weight yarn. What they're sending you is a wool blend yarn, and it's called Delicate Maxi. And they are sending you 4 colors. So see, it says Lana Maxi Delicate, and it does look like, because when I looked at it, there's not much information in here about the yarn that you would normally get, but it does tell you here. I'm going to zoom in on the label. So see here, there's not as much information as what you would normally get on a regular label. So it is either like a mill-end thing, or it is yarn that was made specifically for this project. But it is a 25% wool, 75% acrylic, and I'm sorry, I have a cat that's meowing. I don't know if you can hear that or not. It is a 120 meter or 100 gram, and it looks like it is. You can machine wash it, but lay flat to dry. Do not iron, and do not dry clean. And so I did a little research, but so let's first talk about the pattern. This pattern here really reminds me of the mittens and that just went viral for Bernie Sanders. It's not exactly the same, but it's very reminiscent of that. But it's a very cute pattern here. And see here you got a little puff ball and stuff, but I can't go into this, but the kit includes 2 balls of the gray, this color gray, and then 2 balls of the light brown, beige, taupe, whatever you want to call it, 1 ball of the off-white, but it's not really off-white, that's kind of white, and then 1 ball of the blue. So that is what is included with this project. Now, I like to talk about value on these projects, so keep in mind, if you were to buy a pattern for a hat and mitts, then you'd be looking at spending somewhere between $6 and $10. So we'll go at $6. Now, I could not find these exact brands or balls of yarn online. However, when I did look online, I did find something that was equivalent in when I did look online, I did find skeins of yarn that were equivalent, and they were called the Elise Maxi. So Elise Super Lana Maxi, which these are called Lana Maxi. So I don't know if it's really just the same yarn with a different label on it, but it's Elise Lana Maxi. And it is a bulky weight, which these are bulky weight. And it's 25% wool, 75% acrylic. And I'm seeing these being sold on Etsy primarily. Yeah, I'm seeing the yarn being sold primarily on Etsy at about $5 a skein. So since you are getting a total of 6 skeins, that's roughly $30 for this. And then, oops, sorry, I didn't mean to hit the thing. So $30 for the yarn itself. as the value, and then adding the $6 for the pattern. So it's about $36. And that's really pretty good. That's a pretty darn good value for this particular thing. Much better than last month, I believe. Last month they just barely hit their value. So if you have the introductory price, it's a great value because you only spent about $15, maybe $16, $17 with shipping on the kit. If you are spending regular price, which is $15 for a kit and about $6 to $7 in addition for the shipping and handling, then you're doing good. You're still doing good on value. This month's kit is, and I've got a cat roaming around there, so forgive the shadows and a little peek at him. But I believe that this month's kit is very much worth it. And if you like wool yarn, you will love this yarn. I wouldn't necessarily call it soft, but for a wool, 25% a wool blend, it is pretty darn soft. And it's definitely very squishy. I'm just not always a big fan of wool. I think that this is a great value, a great pattern. And if it was anything other than wool yarn, I would be keeping this kit. But my family and I are not big fans of wool, and I would rather have this go to somebody who would appreciate it much more than we would. I have a feeling that this would just end up staying in the kit and never getting made because I do not like wool. So with that in mind, I am giving away this kit. What do I want to know for you to enter this kit? So you need to comment down below one of your goals for this new year. I don't want to call it a New Year's resolution. I want to call it a goal. So tell me one of this year's goals, and it can be something little, it can be something big. Comment with that down below. If you're an international viewer, then I would give you the equivalent value in an Amazon gift card so that you can use that way. I will not ship this internationally. So it is open worldwide to enter. Just know that I will not ship this out internationally. And so comment down below with what I want to know is what is one of your goals for this year. And I may have asked this before, but I always like to know this and have people think about things like that. What are one of your goals this year? Big or small, it doesn't matter. Go ahead and comment with that down below. And you have until March 13th to enter. And know that this giveaway is not affiliated with Mary Maxim or YouTube. I purchased this kit on my own, and I will be giving it away. And Mary Maxim and YouTube are not responsible to what I promise, for giving you what I promise. And there's a little kitty. If you like this kind of content, then make sure you check out the playlist over there, and you can see where I have taken a look at other monthly kits, either Mary Maxim or Darn Good Yarn, and I'm going to be bringing in some other kits as I grow this channel. But yeah, check out that playlist over to the side so you can see more of this content that you like. And don't forget to hit the like button on this video, and if you want to get more crochet goodness, yarny goodness, any of that kind of stuff, then make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell so that you're reminded each time I come out with a brand new video. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for joining me. Bye-bye.